All right, second grade, let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, my second graders, good morning, second grade. Excellent to have you back with us on this awesome Wednesday. If you look outside, it is bright, sunny, and it's going to be a nice warm day. So let's make sure that we try to get outside. And I have a cool little assignment for us for science that will get you outside today. So without further ado, let's take a look at what we need to get accomplished for the day. All right, you found my morning video. Very good. There's no morning meeting today because I have other meetings this morning that I need to get to. So I'll be seeing everybody tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. First things first is ELA. We're going to check out the classwork tab. Actually, sorry. Back up. Morning work first. Getting ahead of myself. All right, let's see what we have for morning work. So we're starting off with a subtraction problem. You can do it on paper first, then put your answer over here. Yeah, now let me. Okay. We're skip counting by 5. What are the missing numbers? So when you're putting your answers in, you can put in your answer as in, just put like, you see it's 5, 10, the next blank we know is 15, and then a space, and then just put the next missing number that should be in here. So after 20, put the next one here. All right. Then I want you to practice writing 4 adjectives that describe yourself. Think of 4 awesome adjectives that go ahead and describe you. And a brain break. I'd like you to draw a picture of a made-up animal, and I want you to name it. And you can attach the picture below, insert it down here. But I want you to answer these 2 questions. Where does it live? And what does it like to do? So go ahead, take some time, make me a cool made-up animal. I cannot wait to see what you guys all come up with. And of course, my joke of the day. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? I think some of you might know this one. Answer is down below on the 3rd page. When you are totally done, click the turn in button, and let's head into ELA time. So for ELA today, we're going to be practicing singular and plurals. And we can actually do this in a Google slide, which is I think it's a little bit more fun than just the regular Google Docs. So I'm going to try to do more of these more often. And I think I found a way for you guys to turn this in, because I saw some friends turn it in before when we did one of these assignments. So I'll go in like I'm doing it. All right, we're moving words down here into the correct category. If it's singular, meaning 1, or if it's plural, meaning more than 1. Could be 2 or more. So something like berries. Oh, that doesn't sound like 1 berry. That is 2 berries. You can put it over here. And notice the right side of the word has a little bit more room. If you just click on that part of the right side of the word, you click it and hold it, then you can move it. 1 man, that's singular. Men is more than 1, that's plural. Pizzas, plural, right? And you keep going, going, going. When you are done, what you need to do is go back to where you saw it over here in the assignment and click View Assignment. When you do that, you can see over here there is a turn-in button for that thing that you just worked on. That's where you click the turn-in button. So you click Turn In, and that shows me that you finished it. Even if you don't click the turn-in button, I can still see if you've been working on it or not. So if you still can't find this turn-in button for some reason, do not worry about it. Okay? Once you are done with that, you're going to read to self for 30 to 40 minutes. Lastly, go on to Lexia or IXL Language Arts for 20 minutes to wrap up ELA today. All right, let's head back into the classwork tab to see what's next. Writing, you're going to continue with your narrative small moments. You can start uploading pictures of what you already have done, but I'd still like you guys to keep working on it until tomorrow. Add as much detail as you can possibly put in there. No such thing as too much detail for this one. And again, you can do that for about 20 minutes today. Don't need to work any more on that. Your special today is computer. And this is what it says. Hola! Welcome back from vacation week. I hope you all had a chance to relax and take a break from schoolwork. Now, I expect you are ready to work hard on all my favorite things, typing, coding, and Duolingo. Oh, there is a make your own virtual pet? That's cool. Animation activity that you can try and tinker, but it may be a challenge for some. Check it out and have fun with your learning. Hope to see you during Mr. D's Zoom meetings on Tuesdays. Oh, she's going to be joining us every Tuesday. That would be great. So those are just directions for that. Our regular special time is 45 minutes, so you can spend 45 minutes doing all the coding activities that you would like. All right. And if you haven't gotten to art or library, you can do those today as well. After that, you have lunch and recess. Please try to get outside. It is a beautiful day. I would hate for you guys to spend it all inside. All right. For math today, it's another telling time activity. This is my mini lesson, my YouTube mini lesson that I did yesterday. So I posted it here again if you need it. Once you're done watching it, if you want to watch it, go ahead and click on the Google Doc for the assignment for today. And right at the top, it says it's 2 pages. So make sure we're not skipping out on the second page. And just like we did before, we're looking at the long hand, which is the minute hand, and how many minutes it's pointing to. From my mini lesson, we learned that we start at the top, and then we start skip counting by 5s for each hour. So we do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. The minute hand points to 35 minutes. And all you have to do is write the number over on this side of the screen. And you're going to do that for each one of these ones. It just wants to know where the minute hand is pointing to what minute. And then down here, we're going to really start practicing writing the entire time. So I gave you an example, and the ones that you're going to be working on are just writing hours that are new hours. So there are no additional minutes. And I said use see that button right there? Use that button, that key, to separate the hours and minutes. You'll probably have to hold the shift button and then press it. And here's our example. The hour hand is pointing to the 3. Minute hand is pointing to the 12, which is 0 minutes. So you write the time as this. And it's going to be pretty similar for these two down here as well. You're looking to where the hour hand is pointing to, and then you're going to try to write the rest of the time. We're going to work more on this tomorrow, definitely for sure, okay? When you are done, click the turn in button. All right, that's math. And lastly, kind of exciting, I like this one. It's a fun activity. It's make a map. This will be explained in my morning video, like right now. Today for science, make a map of your yard surrounding your house. Make sure your map has a compass rose and that when you are holding your map, the direction east is facing the direction the sun rises. Make sure to label different things around your house so I know what they are. Things like trees, swing sets, shed, any other big objects like your house, label your house. I'd like you to take today, Wednesday, and tomorrow, Thursday, to complete this assignment. Remember, have fun and be creative. There's really no set way of doing this. If you want to come up with a really cool way of showing me your map, please do it, okay? I'm going to show you a map that I made this morning. Okay, this is one that I made for my house. I put a compass rose right up in the corner. My road is right here in front of my house. I know that the sun rises from this direction. So that's how I'm basing my map. That's how it looks. So I labeled my driveway as I come in, a shed over on this side of my house, my big garage. I've got these right here, which are trees. There aren't just 3 trees in front of my house. There are many trees. But I'm just putting 3 trees there to show you that there are trees. I've got my porch. I've got the long road in front of my house I labeled. Feel free to label as much as you want. Add color. You can even add a legend, so you don't need to be putting all the labels in your map. You could make it so that, let me grab my pen, I'll show you what I mean. You could have a legend down in the corner. Scoot it up. And you could tell me that this symbol means a tree. And this symbol is a shed. But I want you to do whatever is easiest for you and however you want to set your map up. But you definitely need to have your compass rose, and it needs to be in a way that shows me which direction the sun rises from your house. Okay? So, uh-oh. Oh no, I lost. There, I found you again. Alright, that wraps up my morning video. If you have any questions about what you need to do today, feel free to reach me out through email or leave me a comment. I do have small group meetings with a few of you today, so please make sure you're showing up to your small group Zooms. Have a wonderful Wednesday, everybody, and I'll see you all for our morning meeting on Thursday. Have a great day.